What's up, guys? It's Profit Day Trader here, and today we're going over the top 5 reasons why I love Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade. All right, now there's a lot of platforms out there. I know it can be intimidating. What do I use? Do I use Robinhood? Do I use, Acorn? Do I use E-Trade? There's a lot of different platforms out there. So trust me, I know it's confusing. When I first signed up, I actually signed up to Ally Bank, which is not good for day trading. It's fine for investing, but it's not great for day trading. But I eventually came across Thinkorswim. Now, everybody's gonna be a little bit different. Now, I personally think Thinkorswim is amazing for beginners, and I'm gonna go over the top 5 reasons why I think so. But there's definitely better programs out there. Don't get me wrong, but these are the reasons why I think, especially for beginners and an intermediate, why TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim is definitely the best. Okay, so number one and foremost, it's free. Free is definitely the most appealing thing about it. Trust me, there's a lot of better programs out there, but they cost money and lots of it. Some of them. I know people will comment down below, but it's better. It's a better platform. Yeah, I agree it's a better platform. I understand when you're at more advanced levels why these programs are more suitable to not be free and why what they give you that helps. But in the beginning, you're not really going to be able to take advantage of those anyway. So the platform being free to learn is really a great asset for newer to intermediate traders. The number 2 reason why I love Thinkorswim is because it is set up for day trading. You can do regular trading as well, just long-term swing trading. That's definitely possible. I don't want you to deter if you're not into day trading that this program isn't for you, but it definitely is set up for day trading. It has good charts. It has real-time quotes, has level 2s for free, which is also nice. Not every level 2 is free. So I think it definitely is 100% set up for day trading, and for what I was needing in the beginning and now in the intermediate levels, 100% I thought it was amazing. 3, it's very simple, but also has very complicated features. So the basis of it is very simple, and I'll be going over videos diving in more deep to TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. So don't worry about this video is more just an overall general census, but I'll go over more details to learn the program itself. So I think it's very simple. I mean, even if you could probably take a couple hours just to familiarize yourself how to make a trade, you'll feel very comfortable after a few hours on how to trade. But it also has very complicated features in there. Advanced charting. It has a lot of indicators you can use. You do a lot with it. There's a lot to it, but overall, it's good for beginner to grow into intermediate level. So you'll be using this program for a few years at least. So I think that's why it's really good to get into this. The Robinhoods, the Acorns, they're very simple. They're good for certain things, but day trading, it's definitely not set up for day trading for sure. Number 4, it has hotkeys. If you're not familiar with hotkeys go look them up. Hotkeys are everything in this business. If you're sitting there, you're moving your mouse, you're clicking around, looking for the buy, sell, changing quantities, you're going to be too slow. You have to be quick. This is split-second decisions in this business. It go literally within milliseconds, some of these decisions. So they have very, it's not amazing. It's not the best I've seen, but they have very adequate hotkeys that I use. I don't click buttons anymore, other than maybe changing quantities. But other than that, I have a keyboard. I set up my macros on my keyboard. Again, if you're not familiar with any of these terms, don't worry about it. We'll be going over a lot of this stuff throughout other videos, but hotkeys is very important. And I'm telling you now, if you're clicking around trying to make these quick decisions by clicking around, it's a problem. You can't take your eyes off that chart. You look at the chart, you look at your level 2s, but you shouldn't be looking around for buy and sell buttons. That's for sure. So hotkeys is very important. And number 5, especially for beginners, is paper trading. Again, if not familiar with paper trading, it is 100% essential, especially when you first start out. You do not want to use your real money. They give you around $100,000. I haven't paper traded in a while. I probably should go back once in a while. I'll definitely have a tutorial on going over the paper trading side of it once I dive into the more technical stuff, the program stuff. But paper trading is a simulated stock market. They give you fake money. It's not real money. You're not making real trades. There's no pressure on it. but it teaches you a lot. When I first started doing it, I was going in paper trading. It just really familiars with the button layouts, where I need to find charts, how to set up my charts, what I like, what I don't like. You don't want to do a trial and error with your real money. You definitely don't want to make a mistake with the real money. So definitely paper trading is very good on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. Trust me, you're gonna love it. It's amazing. It's very informative, and it's the best place to start for sure. So those are my top 5 reasons why I love Thinkorswim. I know a lot of people have negative things against it. I'm also going to make a video of the problems of it. I don't want to this isn't going to be all positive. No. There's a lot of negativity to this business as well. So I'm going to come up with another video of the top 5 things I don't like about Thinkorswim. I'll go to that in a separate video, so look out for that video coming up soon. But yeah, those are the top 5 reasons why I love it. I really have. I've been using this for a long time now. No, let's say a long time. Long time sounds like many years, but I've been using this for a little bit now. And I've had little problems here and there, but overall, I've been making money consistently, and that's all I can ask for right now, especially being on the newer side of this business. So it's definitely adequate. Beginners, intermediate, 100%. I definitely recommend downloading this program. I definitely recommend learning it, understanding it. I'm going to be having lots of tutorials on how to go through it, how to set up your stuff, where the buttons are located. So if you're very confused, I understand it's overwhelming at first. Look out for more videos. I'm going to have tutorials on showing on how to use it. So look out for that. But thank you so much for stopping by. If you like these videos, if you want to see a lot more, this is set up for beginners and intermediate levels. I'm not saying you can't learn anything. You can always learn, always. But if you're looking to learn about day trading, taking this more seriously as a part-time or a full-time gig, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be posting videos hopefully a few times a week. So yeah, look out, and I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one.